On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about generator functions in JavaScript. You can learn from the basic usage of generator functions to advanced examples combined with asynchronous processing, along with code. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. JavaScript generator functions are special functions that differ from regular functions in that they can conduct lazy execution and pause and resume. By understanding generator functions, you can efficiently handle asynchronous operations and sequential processing of large data. Here, we will provide a detailed explanation of how generator functions work, how to use them, and practical use cases. A generator function is defined with function asterisk, a function definition with an asterisk, and, unlike regular functions, it can pause execution midway and resume while maintaining its state. Generator functions allow lazy execution and return results incrementally, enabling efficient memory management and sequential processing. In this manner, a generator function can have multiple yield expressions and use yield to pause its execution. When a generator function is called, the body of the function is not executed immediately, and a generator object is returned. You can call the next method on this object to resume the function from the point it was paused. Next, let's look at a basic example of using generator functions. A key point to note here is that the generator returns values each time with yield, and as long as the done property is false, it indicates there are more values to come. The last call to next returns done true, indicating that the generator has completed. Using for allows you to easily retrieve each yield value from a generator. For automatically calls next on iterable objects, including generators and loops until done becomes true. Within the loop, value is assigned each yield value in order. Using for is very simple because you don't need to call next manually. Yield is a keyword that indicates a pause point within a generator function. The value to the right of yield is returned when next is called. Additionally, yield allows for bidirectional communication. In other words, when passing a value as an argument to the next method, that value is sent to the generator function. In this example, the call next apple sends the value apple to the generator function, where it is used inside the function. Generators can maintain their execution state, which allows for concise representation of long loops or sequential processing. The following example demonstrates a generator that produces numbers indefinitely. This generator continuously produces numbers using a while true loop, allowing you to obtain values as needed. This enables efficient processing of large datasets. Generator functions are suitable for executing multiple processes sequentially. For example, they are helpful in processing API requests sequentially or dividing and processing large files. Thus, generators, which can be used for asynchronous processing, are greatly beneficial for efficient sequential data handling. Asynchronous generators introduced in ES 2018 allow you to return asynchronous values sequentially by combining async and yield. This makes it possible to concisely write asynchronous processing in combination with await. Asynchronous generators can retrieve values sequentially using a for await of loop. This pattern is particularly useful when handling asynchronous data streams. Generator functions are also used to simplify the flow of asynchronous processing. For example, by combining yield and promise, as shown below, you can write asynchronous operations to appear synchronous. This code is sequentially making API requests using a generator and processing the results. Generator functions are one of JavaScript's powerful features, possessing the ability to pause and resume the execution of a function. This allows for sequential processing, asynchronous processing, and efficient manipulation of large datasets. Understanding generators is an important step in mastering advanced techniques in JavaScript. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and check out our new videos.